Okay, we are back at Shepherd's Garden, just doing the finishing touches before the carpeting goes down tomorrow. This is the kitchen. Gavin's putting up some tiles. Gavin's tiled the floors. This will be carpeted. We've tiled the bathroom as well, just so that it will last. Splashback will go there. Shower screen will go across here. Looks all nice. All the doors have been painted now. They look a lot better. This is the smaller bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Loads of light. Bathroom, and then this is the living room. So we've used white satin for the woodwork, and then white for everywhere else for the walls. So it's a nice contrast. All right, see you.